Hey there, Juliana Tomasek with julianatomasek.com, and today I want to teach you a little computer hack, computer skill, and what we're going to do today is we are going to learn how to italicize. You know, the fancy slant to the letters, and the way to do that is. Suppose I have some text written here, and I'm using Microsoft Office Word. However, this does translate to lots of other programs. I'm going to highlight what I want to highlight. So I'm going to highlight the word computer, and then I'm going to go up here in the upper left-hand corner from the home screen, and you see this little I? If I click on that I, it's going to italicize the word computer. And if I want to unitalicize it, I can highlight it. And you see how it's got that little square around it? It shows that that's highlighted or that it's italicized. I'm going to click it again, and voila, it's unitalicized. Now, here's another thing you can do if you don't want to use your mouse. You can highlight your text and hit Control, the big Control key in the lower left-hand corner, and the letter I at the same time. So Control I will make it italicized, and to unitalicize it, you would just do Control I again, and it's back to normal. So that is how you italicize. And thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have all kinds of cool and handy social media hacks, computer skills, things like that. And love to have you check out the rest of my videos. Thanks again for watching.